Video to fix Outlook can't download attachments. And if your emails won't open files, listen carefully. Are you facing the problem where Outlook shows errors or fails when you try to download attachments? This usually happens because Outlook cache is full, add-ins conflict, or network settings block downloads. Sometimes small glitches or hidden system settings prevent attachments from downloading properly. Many YouTube and social media solutions show long tweaks, confusing steps, or risky edits that take forever and often fail. On Rexish, I keep it simple and safe. I discovered a secret easy trick that fixes this problem fast and lets Outlook download attachments smoothly. This trick clears cache, disables conflicting add-ins, and ensures network and security settings allow downloads. You do not need advanced skills or extra software. I tested this method multiple times, and it works perfectly every time. This solution saves time and gets your attachments accessible fast. Watch fully so you do not miss the key step most guides skip. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial explained slowly and clearly, comment below and tell me you want it. Rexish always delivers real fixes that actually work. So stay tuned and fix Outlook attachment download issues the smart way.